buttercream, and for my candy, I use candy butterflies, and for my fresh ginger, I sauteed that.
Looks like the bitch is back.
You sauteed the ginger? Yeah.
Huh.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Man, I gotta tell you, that looks like it's actually caught in stop motion just as it's pouring out.
I think you really captured the region.
Thank you.
You know, it's nice.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you. That's a lot of buttercream.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was cooking them, I took them out of the oven and realized they came a little bit, and so I filled them mostly up with buttercream, so I did a lot of extra butterflies there to help with the taste. Ooh. I put ginger. That's so nice and spicy. I love how moist the cake is.
Crystallized. It tastes like you mix it up, something sank to the bottom.
It's like the sugar tank at the bottom. Yeah.
But it's not unpleasant.
No, it's really good.
Yeah, it's nice.
It really would have been nice to get that spicy sugar
Little asshole.